So we're gonna have our airplane contest against me, Annie, Jam.
Alright.
Okay, this is our stupid airplane. And this is my airplane. Alright, ready? It's windy. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Fuck that shit. No, get it.
No, I want that one.
Fuck that shit. No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Stupid.
Alright, ready? Set, go.
Oh.
Mine's oh, fuck. Man, fuck that shit. No, whatever. It's the wind. Alright, go this way. Ready, set, go.
Where's the wind?
Alright. This way again.
Cold. Fuck. Oh shit.
Where's your cardigan?
Huh?
Where's your cardigan?
Freaking.
Ready? Set, go. Ah! Fuck you, airplane, you suck.
So you win.
Okay, well, battle number 2, because I'm about to make another airplane.